Actually, there's a lot of definitions for decay, so I guess I'll start off with a basic one, and that is decay is really the property of a material to sustain an electric charge by an electric field being applied to it. Basically, it's kind of a battery if you want to look at it that way. Like a battery, it'd be very high in capacitance, high dielectric constant, so once you put a charge on it, it holds that charge. So dielectric constant's the ability to hold a charge and also to affect the electrical properties in regards to capacitance, I suppose. And there's a lot of different ways to define it, to be honest, but that's kind of a nice, simple way of defining it. For test methods, there's a lot of different ways to test it, and I bring that up because the issue sometimes in comparing one data sheet to another is that the data sheets are not using the same test methods sometimes. So sometimes if the material has the exact same property with two different data sheets from two different vendors or something like that, you could actually have different values and it's still the same material. It's because of how they're testing it. So there's a lot of tricks to the data sheet, and of course none of that's really done with any negative intent. It's just that what happens is each company has their own industries that they go after, and because of that they realize that there's certain properties and certain test methods that will be that describes their materials a little bit more appropriate for the industry they're serving.
Of course.
So that's what it comes down to. So you do see differences in data sheets for dielectric constant, test method, and the values themselves. And it can get a little confusing.